Hello guys, if you are someone who is stuck into a 9 to 5 job and wants to quit that job, and really if you are interested in making money by sitting at the comfort of your home, then watch this video till the end because I'm gonna reveal to you one of the greatest strategy which you can make money from the comfort of your home, and this can be really awesome. Just watch this video till the end and you will just get this strategy for yourself absolutely for free. But before we jump into the content, I would like to share with you one of the greatest plug and play system of making money online. So if you are interested in getting that plug and play system for yourself so that you can make money out of it, do check out the first link is there in the description. Okay, so now let's get started into the strategy and let me reveal to you the secrets. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is press the subscribe button. So you can see this is one of my YouTube channels and you can see it is making me consistent income every single day. Okay, so see, you can see in this month of June I am making this money every single day. I'm not saying that this is a huge amount of money which I am making, but still this is really very good consistent income, and it's gonna grow day by day as more and more people are gonna come to my this YouTube channel, and I will start making a lot of money with this YouTube channel. And the thing about this YouTube channel is that I haven't shown my face on this YouTube channel, but still this YouTube channel is making me this consistent income. Okay, and I am gonna show you one of the very interesting niche using which you can make this type of very consistent income directly coming to your bank account every single month by using a gold mine of money which is known as YouTube. Okay, so now let's go and let me reveal to you what is that secret from where you can make all this kind of awesome money every single month. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, so now let me reveal to you what type of content you can make to make this type of income. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to give any voiceovers, or you can just automate this entire system, hire someone else to do the work for you, and you are gonna make money out of it. So the first thing you need to do is, let me show you this unique YouTube channel. This is known as Brainy Doos. Okay, it has got a whopping 1 million subscribers, and you can see that all they are making is this very simple videos in which they are just telling about different psychological problems which people are having. For example, signs that you are mentally ill. Okay, 7 proven ways to boost your confidence. Okay, so you can see that why most people aren't happy. Signs that you are more attractive than you. Now the thing is that all this type of articles can be found all over the internet. Okay, it's not difficult to obtain this type of data, and in this video what they are doing is that they are particularly just making some compilations using some different images. Okay, let me show you one of their videos, and what they are doing is that they are just compiling some of the videos as well as some of the stock images. Okay,
We found Sprizzy through
now you can see that this channel, the ad is coming on this channel, and that's the reason why this channel is making money with YouTube AdSense. Okay,
a Google search, pretty much. I was looking for a way to market our YouTube.
let's just skip that.
Or some.
So you can see they are probably using some stock videos, and there was a guy who was narrating this. Okay, so it's not a very difficult script about this channel. Okay, anyone can write this type of scripts.
Being on all the time can wear you down.
So you can see that there is a very simple script which is given, okay, to this guy who is narrating this thing. Okay, and you can see the type of scripts which are like top 10 reasons or top 10 things to do or top 10 ways to boost your confidence. All these articles or all these video scripts are very easy to write because there is a ton of content which is available on Google. All you need to do is type in 10 reasons to let's find something, 10 reasons you are smarter. Just search for anything random like this, okay? So you can see, you can find this reasons, okay? So you can just make a video on 10 check out this 10 reasons why being smart is awesome, okay? So this is one of the video which you can make, and all you need to do is get some copyright free images and get some copyright free stock audios for yourself, and you just need to make a compilation of this, okay? So you can see that all this you can utilize this thing, okay? And you can make a very good video just by using this, okay? You don't need to use all these images which are given in this article. All you need to do is go to a special website which is known as pixabay.com, and now you can get all your images over here, okay? So just type in women and you can find a lot of, okay, so you can use these images into your video, for example, and you can see probably see this video, there are just some stock images which they are using over here, okay? So you can find a lot of stock images just like this and make a compilation video out of that, okay? Let me download some of the stock images from over here. So you can see, just all you need to do is click on the image and press on the download image, okay? Now how will you automate this, okay? Now I'm not gonna say that you are gonna make this this YouTube channel really in a very simple manner, but something is there which can automate you. You just need to have to spend a little bit of money, okay? I'm not saying that you just have to spend thousands of dollars, but if you want to automate this entire channel and this entire process, then you just need to go to a particular website which is known as fiverr.com, okay? You just need to go to fiverr.com, and let me select the prices of USA because currently most of my audience is from USA, so let me select that, okay? So now what you just need to do is you just have to type over here what this type of YouTube channel is, a voiceover, okay? So you just need a script writer, so just type in script writing, okay? Just type in video script. So once you type in video script, you can see a lot of people are just writing this video script for you, okay? So I will write a YouTube video script for you, okay? So I will write a captivating sales video script, okay? That's not something which we require, but you can see I will write a YouTube video script, okay? So you can hire anyone, okay? Just choose the person who does this work in a very low price, okay? So this person, I will write a script for you to use in videos. He's just charging $10, so you can just get the script for a very low price of $10, okay? So once you have got your script, all you need to do is hire a person just like this, okay? I will convert your article, blog or script into an engaging video. You have spent $10 over here. Now you are just going to give that article to this particular person who is gonna convert that into a video, okay? So the second step is done. So you don't need to do the editing all by yourself, because you can hire this person who will do the editing and convert your script into a video, okay? After this, doing these two steps, you need to hire the third person, which is voiceover, okay? So you can find any person who just provides a voiceover, okay? So you can see there are a lot of people who will provide voiceover for your videos at a very low price, as low as $20. So you can see that your videos, you can just make these videos just in a budget of $50 per video, and the potential that you can make a ton of money with this type of videos, because you can see this channel has got 1.2 million subscribers, and it's probably making more than $10,000 every single month just by uploading very simple videos just like this. So there is a huge opportunity for you that you can make all this money and you can jump into the psychology niche, because not most of the people are working on this niche, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money with this psychological niche. This is something which is a paid strategy, but this is something which can work for you. Okay, so if you are having a job, okay, which you are doing every single day, and if you are probably making $3,000 to $5,000 every single month, then you can hire someone on Fiverr who will make all these videos for you. Then all you need to do is go and upload those videos. You need to invest some of your money in these things, and really it's gonna be a fully automated system which you have created, and your YouTube channel will be running day by day. And in the span of 3 months, you will be able to complete 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 hours of watch time if you are consistent with YouTube and uploading 3 videos every single week. Okay, and after that you can monetize your channel with Google AdSense or with YouTube Google AdSense, and you can start making money with this type of very simple YouTube channel. So this is something which any one of you can do. You don't need to invest a ton of money, you just have to invest a little bit of money. Or if you want to do all this stuff all by yourself, you can absolutely do it with very simple softwares. Just I can suggest you one of the software, which is Content Samurai or InVideo. These two softwares are really the best ones which you can use to make this type of video. All you need to do is put these articles into those software, and those softwares will convert those articles into this type of visually appealing beautiful videos, and you can start making money with this type of very simple YouTube channel. And this is going to be really a very good complementary income for yourself, which you can spend on whatever you want, having some good time with your family, or you can just get some good stuff for your kids if you have, or you can just enjoy all the profit and just have something saved for your retirement, because this is a money making machine YouTube channel which is gonna generate a solid income for you every single month, and which is going to increase day by day. So this is something which you can do. This is something which most of the people can do, because I know that most of the people don't know how to write, don't know how to edit videos and all that stuff, and that's the reason why I am showing this automated system where you can hire some people on Fiverr and they will do this work for you at a very cheap price. And in this way you can start building your business entirely on YouTube, and there would be a day in your life when you will be able to skip your job and take YouTube as your full-time career and start making a ton of money with it. So if you are interested in making money on YouTube with this strategy, do take action on this strategy. And if you really want an automated awesome system of making a lot of money, even more money than you are gonna make on this YouTube channel with this YouTube channel, then do check out the first link in the description. That's something which is really close to my heart, and that's a system which I'm using, and it's making me a ton of money, more money as compared to any of the YouTube channels can make. So if you want that system, click the first link in the description, and it's a genuine product which I am personally using, and it has provided me results, because I don't promote any of the product which I am personally not using. And that's something which you can find on my channel, that is trust. You can trust my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.